In this tutorial video we will show you how to apply a new one-time registration. Log into your account. Now navigate to Dashboard and click on to apply OTR. Make sure to fill all the mandatory fields. Enter your full name, father's name, and mother's name. Enter your date of birth in date, month, and year format. Select the gender from drop-down list. Enter Aadhaar number if applicable. Enter your alternate mobile phone number. Select marital status. Note, if you have selected married, you will need to enter the spouse name. Select the category. Select the tribe. Now check yes or no if you are inhabitant of Nagaland. Check yes or no if you are a person with benchmark disability. If yes, select the PWD category. Fill the full details of your present address. Select state. Select district. Select your police station and enter the PIN code. Check the box if you have the same permanent address. If your permanent address is different, you can enter the details as per your address. Once this is done, click on Next. Please note that incorrect information in the OTR application form will be rejected, so make sure to give the correct details only. In this section, enter the information about your qualifications. Follow the video instructions. Enter your certification details if applicable. If you are a government employee, check the box and enter the details as per the form. Now click on Next. You can click the link to view the sample photo and signature. It is advisable to view the acceptable photo and signature before proceeding with the upload. If the image are not acceptable, then your OTR will be rejected. Choose the photo to upload. You can now crop the correct image ratio from the selected photo. Zoom the image in or out to make the correct ratio as shown. The preview will be displayed on upload. Similarly, do the same for the signature also. Now upload and attach all the required documents as shown. Please note that documents should be in PDF format. Once all the documents are uploaded, click on Next to proceed. Preview the OTR application and correct if there is any. You can edit the form by clicking on Back button. You can view the documents by clicking the link. Once the preview is finalized, click on Confirm and Submit. There you go, the OTR application has been successfully submitted. This is the case number. You can use the case number for future references. The OTR application will be in pending status. On approval or reject of OTR application, you will receive SMS and email notification. These are the different OTR application statuses. The meaning of each status is described in the description. This is how you can apply a new OTR application. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.